Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your November reading. So, mix na. Okay, love, money, kung ano man ang ating ma-reading, no? So, kunin natin kung ano bang meron, ano bang papasok, energies ngayong November para sa iyo. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so ito yung mga sample natin. So ito yung ating cord cutting. Okay, si cord cut, ito yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet for money and love po yan ha, for connection. So sa single pwede rin yan syempre. And itong ating granter necklace, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. And syempre yung ating mga pang-protection mula sa evil eye na sinasabi. Okay, so meron tayong evil eye ring. This is adjustable. So, meron din tayong necklace. Okay, so ganito naman siya. Yan. This is unisex po ha, by the way. And meron din tayong mga bracelets. Okay, and syempre meron tayong pang-cleanse and pang-recharge ng inyong mga charms. And yes, kung meron din kayong mga crystals, pwede rin po yon. Okay, selenite at ang ating crystal pagdating sa pang-recharge, okay, and cleansing naman is yung ating white sage. So, magkasama na po siya. Okay, so kung may tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Wag sa comment section, please. Again, that's for you, Cancer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer, that's for you this November. Anong meron? Anong nakaabang? Cancer yan. Okay, so kunin ko to. Star in reversed. What's that? Why is that? Ten of Swords in reversed. Healing energy. This is nice. So, maybe overall, there's this healing na pwedeng pumasok ngayong November. Okay, yeah, death in reverse, healing, changes. Yan, okay? Could be dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, what else? Some of you po ha, meron ditong mga papasok na sabihin nating bago. Some of you, minanifest nyo to. Okay? Some of you, minanifest nyo. Merong mga sabihin nating mangyayari this November. Kung ano man yung pinagdarasal nyo, hiniling nyo, may chance po na mangyari this November or chance na makuha this November. Okay? So, what else? The 4 of Cups in reversed. And the 7 of Cups. Yes. Meron ditong huwag kayong manghinayang kasi ang dami pa pong darating. Ngayon ang narinig ko. Lalo na pagdating sa relation, okay, or connections. Yes. Meron ditong nangihinayang at nako-confused. Kung ikaw ito na nakakaramdam ng ganon, anong kailangan mong malaman? King of Cups in reverse, na hindi mo daw dapat maramdaman yan kasi una't una pa lang, ikaw na yung parang nawalan. Okay? Ikaw na yung parang hindi ginawa ng tama. So, bakit ka manghihinayang? Bakit ka mako-confuse? Some of you, ikaw itong inalisan. Yeah, namimiss mo yung tao. Don't be. Huwag mo nang i-miss. Oo, huwag mo nang masyadong kaisipin. Huwag mo isipin ikaw ay nawalan or sabihin nating nanghihinayang ka kasi nawala siya. Huwag kang manghinayang. Manghinayang ka sa mga pwede pang mawala sa'yo. Ha? Because of that person. Yes. Selfish yung tao. Unang-una pa lang, selfish na yung tao. At dumating sa punto na naging selfish ka na rin sa sarili mo because of them. Huwag ka naman masyadong ganyan na parang kasungit, kapait pagdating sa sarili. Ha? Okay, Two of Pentacles in reverse. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you will reject somebody for you to grow, for you to heal. Mga ganyang energy po, ha, this November. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Yung nakikita ko dito sa iba sa inyo, huwag ninyong pababayaan yung mga responsibilities ninyo na nakabinbin, nakapending hanggat maaari. Stop procrastinating. Okay, hanggat maaari, kung kaya nyong gawin, gawin. Okay, kung kaya nyong bayaran ng mas maaga, bayaran. That's specific. Okay, kasi kung meron naman kayong pambayad, wag nyo nang 'di ba? Specific. Wag nyo nang patagalin pa. Ibabayad nyo rin naman eh. Oo, parang ganyan. And sometimes pagdating po sa money, yung money flow, okay? Kapag sobrang bigat ninyong binibitawan yung pera, ganun rin siya kabigat babalik. Isang po yun isang flow. Okay, isang way kung paano nyo malalaman na yung pera ninyo bakit ganun, bakit ganyan. Tingnan ninyo kung paano nyo po binitawan. Ha? Okay, hindi yun sabihin natin, frequency po kasi. Sa frequency, paano ko bibitawan yung pera ko na napakagani? Wala nga akong pera. Kaya syempre ang bigat. So, ganun din. Okay, ganun din. Babalik sa'yo talaga ng mabigat. Yeah, pansinin nyo yun. Anyway, so medyo ibang topic yon, tungkol na yun sa money flow, pero yeah. So what else for Cancerian this November? Okay, grabing sound trip ng aming kapitbahay. Oo, happy sila. Anyway, so Cancer, sana hindi naririnig dito sa ating video. Let's see, Cancer. Okay, the King of Cups again in reversed. What's with that? The Devil. Okay, the Devil in reversed. This is energy po ng pagtatanggal ng mga bisyo this November. Okay? Oo, yan o. 10 of Wands in reverse dropping. Okay, so kung bisyo, pwedeng may malilimitahan, pwedeng may mababawasan, or talagang tatanggalin na. Yes. For the better. Yeah. Inaasahan din talaga yung iba, ina-advisean din dito na talagang kung alam ninyong may mga bisyo kayo na hindi maganda, talagang limitahan. Kung hindi kaya talagang alisin, limitahan kahit kaunti, kahit papaano. Two of Cups, Six of Cups in reverse. You're still attached. Yeah, see, the Hanged Man. You're still attached. Death in reversed. There's this somebody from the past will resurface this November. May magre-resurface dito. Energies from the past. Okay? Kahit hindi natin sabihin na physically yung person is magre-resurface, pero there's that energy na pwedeng yun nga magpaparamdam, magbibigay sa'yo, okay, ng mga pag-aalala ng kung ano man. Okay? So, energies. We're not talking about romantic connections lang naman eh. Okay? We're talking about general. So, what else? Page of Cups in reversed. And the Two of Wands. Meron ditong meron ditong into you talaga. So, 'di ba, napapakanta yung kapitbahay namin habang dumadaan diyan. Kasi talaga namang ang ganda ng tugtugan sa kabilang bahay. So, meron ditong magbibigay sa'yo ng attention. I'm hearing some of you would enter a new connection maybe, or a third party connection this November. Be careful. Be careful. I'm seeing two of wands here. This is somebody na parang nagiging indecisive. Yes. Be careful entering a third party connection. Kung alam mo na pwede makakasira sa connection mo, na meron sa ngayon ikaw, na connection na yes, alam nyo naman na may kakonect na kayo, and then meron dito magbibigay po ng flirt. Be careful kung ayaw nyo talagang masira yung current connection na meron sa'yo or doon sa isa. Okay? Meron kasi ditong hindi matatanggihan yan be careful. Kahit sabihin natin, sa ano lang naman po usap-usap lang sa messenger. Doon naman lahat nagsisimula. Diba? Doon naman lahat. Alangan naman. Doon sa communication, lahat nagsisimula. Lahat ng third party. Di po ba? Oh. Ano pa bang ibang paraan para magkaroon or magsimula ang third party? Kung walang communication, hindi matutuloy. Di ba? Oh, so let's see all signs again. Again and again and again. Kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, message na lang po. Okay? Wag sa comment section. Yes. Okay. So, let's see. Cancer. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. They're waiting for you. They have a lot of expectations. Taurus. They're thinking of you. Last. I'm hearing last. They like you, I think. They want to pursue you. Gemini, they're into you. Okay, feeling a strong connection with you. So, Cancer, avoiding. Or maybe you have to avoid something with this Cancerian. A connection. Maybe, some of you. Leo, unfinished business. Virgo, can't move on. They still want you. They still want to pursue. Libra, there's this tension, blockages, pero they still feel a strong connection. Maybe you, okay, feeling a strong connection with a Libra. So, Scorpio, this is like an energy of a cycle. Okay, it's like an ending cycle. Sagittarius, they're a manipulator. They want to rule you. Okay, they want to control you. Capricorn, they're too kind. They're too kind. They are. Aquarius, they're thinking of you a lot, day and night. Pisces, they're not ready. Yeah, they are not ready. Some of you, these Pisces could have third-party connections or what else. Kung ano man, no? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Cancerian placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.